Mr. Speaker, it has been more than 4 years since the White House operated under a budget. It's not a coincidence that each of these 4 years has brought a $1 trillion deficit. Tennesseans are frustrated over the fact that they must stick to a budget in operating their homes and businesses, yet the Obama administration cannot seem to do the same in running the country with our hard-earned tax dollars. Last Congress, House Republicans passed 2 responsible budgets while the administration and their allies in the Democratic-controlled Senate twiddled their thumbs. In an effort to finally get this administration to act, Republicans have introduced the Require a Plan Act. This common-sense proposal will mandate the White House produce a balanced budget within a 10-year window or submit a plan explaining in what year the budget would balance. Unfortunately, it seems that we have no other choice but to assist the administration to finally address the debt crisis that is destroying jobs and mortgaging the future of our children and grandchildren. I yield back.
The gentleman from Tennessee yields back. For what purpose is the gentleman